Join us on our guided tour as we delve into the complexities of the Trust Tairawhati dashboard, where we will explore its intricate details. Presented by Data and Dashboards, this dashboard summarizes the key highlights from the Tairawhati Wellbeing Survey conducted in the Tairawhati region. The primary objective of this dashboard is to visually present how people perceive their own well-being. The survey was designed with the purpose of enhancing the local data available in the region and gaining a deeper understanding of the well-being of the community members. The Trust Tairawhati dashboards are divided into 7 main themes. Join us in the exploration of these themes. The Cultural Identity Dashboard provides a visual representation of the cultural identity of the Tairawhati region's population. In this dashboard, the inhabitants of Tairawhati are able to vividly showcase, commemorate, and place significance on their wide-ranging diversity, rich heritage, and treasured Taonga, cultural treasures. The semi-donut-shaped KPI chart presented here offers a visual representation of the state of well-being throughout Tairawhati. This illustrates anticipated future trends concerning the vitality of Maori culture and language, the significance of involvement with Maori culture, proficiency in Te Reo, and the ability to express one's identity. The comparison encompasses various subregions within Tairawhati, including Tairawhati urban, coast, and country, as well as a comparison to the overall statistics of New Zealand. The indicators provide a visual representation for the residents of Tairawhati to understand aspects of their cultural identity. This includes gauging the ease or challenges of expressing oneself in Aotearoa, involvement with Maori culture, the anticipated increase in familiarity with Maori culture, and the sense of pride within the Tairawhati community. The dashboard incorporates an interactive tooltip function that activates when you hover over the indicators. This tooltip enhances your exploration by offering detailed insights related to the different indicators. Behold the interactive donut graph, showcasing not only the grand total of respondents but also dynamically revealing the breakdown of responses based on gender distribution. Explore these dynamic bar graphs that depict the dispersion of age groups, ethnicity, employment status, and Tairawhati region IWI. By selecting any bar, the dashboard statistics promptly adapt to exhibit data pertinent to your chosen category, providing an engaging and informative experience. The dashboard is equipped with customizable filters for your convenience. To explore the available options, simply click on the drop-down menu in the filters. Let's go ahead and select Gisborne Urban to observe the changes that occur upon applying a specific filter. Selecting a different option from the filters, such as Gisborne Urban, will update the dashboard statistics to show data specific to that district. Next, we're going to look into the undo and redo functions. We'll proceed using our present view for this. The undo button takes you back one step. You can also use keyboard shortcuts Ctrl-Z for Windows or Command-Z for Mac OS. The redo button advances one step. Keyboard shortcuts are Ctrl-Y for Windows or Command+Shift+Z for Mac OS. The share button, located at the bottom right corner of the dashboard, lets you easily share the dashboard with others. The download option lets you export the report and its associated data. You have the option to share the current or original view using an embed code, a link, via email, Twitter, and Facebook. The replay animation button, equipped with speed filters, enables users to replay and review previously displayed animations. The revert button allows you to clear all filters and return to the dashboard's original view. Choose the download format that suits your needs. For example, if you want an image, just click on Image and it'll immediately download a screenshot to your device. The full screen option enables you to view the dashboard at its maximum display size. Clicking on the headers allows for seamless navigation to the corresponding dashboards. The dashboards show similar functionality, creating a consistent user experience. Let's embark on an exploration of the Hapori community's dashboard. The community's dashboard serves as a comprehensive platform that focuses on the welfare of local communities. This dashboard envisions and strives for vibrant, flourishing, and empowered communities. The dashboard presents visualizations concerning the life satisfaction, family well-being, perceived control over life outcomes, and the general health status of the Tairawhati residents. This dashboard also includes indicators derived from surveys capturing people's perceptions about Tairawhati as an appealing place to reside. It encompasses their future anticipations regarding the community, accessibility to community facilities, feelings of safety during the night, and concerns regarding housing, specifically related to cold conditions. The relationships dashboard focuses on the dynamics of interpersonal connections and the quality of relationships within the Tairawhati region. It recognizes and values the importance of fostering respectful, connected, and cooperative relationships among the people, whānau, extended families, and various communities that make up Tairawhati. By offering these insights, the relationships dashboard aids in understanding the fabric of social interactions within Tairawhati. This dashboard offers comparisons between Tairawhati region, New Zealand as a whole, and its subregions including Tairawhati urban, coast, and country. The relationships dashboard provides valuable insights into the perceptions of Tairawhati's inhabitants regarding general trust, feelings of loneliness, available social support, and the sense of belonging. Moreover, the dashboard includes indicators related to experiences of discrimination and being treated with respect across various settings like home, public spaces, workplaces, communities, schools, and children's schools. The economy dashboard places a spotlight on the economic landscape of the Tairawhati region. It recognizes the multifaceted nature of the local economy, characterized by its diversity, innovation, resilience, and regenerative qualities. This dashboard aims to capture the essence of an economy that not only thrives but also contributes positively to the well-being of its inhabitants. The dashboard offers a visual representation of the economic well-being experienced by the people of Tairawhati. It delves into various facets such as the ability to cover bills, whether income meets essential needs, Tairawhati's suitability as a business environment, future economic expectations, available employment opportunities within Tairawhati, job satisfaction levels, and the job-seeking landscape. It further investigates the industries in which individuals are employed, the presence of digital opportunities within Tairawhati and its appeal to young people. It also reflects the vitality of the city center, rural prospects, availability of resources within whānau, extended families, self-employment scenarios, and the projected affordability of housing 5 years down the line. The Knowledge Dashboard focuses on illuminating the intricacies of knowledge and information within the Tairawhati region. It recognizes the rich tapestry of diverse knowledge systems, encompassing various forms of information and Matuaranga Maori, Maori knowledge, and how they interact within the community. This dashboard emphasizes the importance of accessibility, utilization, value, and evolution of knowledge. The dashboard's indicators offer a holistic perspective on the survey results regarding various aspects. These include the availability of a dependable internet connection, proficiency in speaking Te Reo Maori, understanding spoken and written Maori, and reading Te Reo Maori. Additionally, the dashboard presents findings concerning information sources and the quantity of such sources. The donut chart illustrates the proportion of Tairawhati residents who are currently engaged in studying or training, along with the accessibility they have to personal devices such as tablets, computers, and phones. By applying different filters, the dashboard statistics are dynamically updated, allowing users to tailor the information according to their specific interests and needs. Step into the interactive world of the environment dashboard. This dynamic platform is designed to immerse you in the assessment and well-being of Tairawhati's pristine natural landscapes. The indicators within the dashboard provide a comprehensive insight into the well-being of Tairawhati's environment, drawing from surveys that gauge the health of rivers, lakes, land, and soils. The dashboard also captures concerns related to climate change and future expectations for the environment. Furthermore, the dashboard visually represents the ecosystem health, air quality, biodiversity extent, and the condition of coastal waters and beaches. It also highlights findings related to sustainable practices, such as buying locally to support the economy, preferred modes of transport, and the energy sources used for motorized vehicles. The demographics dashboard within the Tairawhati Wellbeing platform serves as a hub of valuable information about the residents of the region. It provides an in-depth exploration of the various demographics that make up Tairawhati's population. By delving into this dashboard, you gain access to a wealth of data that unveils the diverse characteristics, backgrounds, and identities of the individuals who call Tairawhati home. If you find yourself needing support or have any questions related to the Trust Tairawhati dashboards, or our other digital dashboards, don't hesitate to contact us at info@datandashboards.co.nz.